Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet a unique flower. It's a pensy flower and it's unique in its look, and I am using a 3-ply cotton yarn and a 4 mm steel crochet hook for my project. So first of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this and make a magic ring. After making a magic ring, start your first round by making chain 1. Go into the magic ring and pull the yarn. Pull through 2 loops to make a single crochet stitch. Again go into the magic ring, pull the yarn, pull through 2 loops to make single crochet 2, single crochet 3, single crochet 4, and complete 10 single crochet stitches. After completing 10 single crochet stitches, pull the starting yarn tail to form a ring, and then go into this first single crochet stitch and make a slip stitch to finish your row. So if you want to change the color of yarn, you can simply pull the yarn and cut the extra yarn. Now with the other color yarn, we are going to start our second round. So for the second round, first of all, make a slip knot, and after making a slip knot, go into this first single crochet stitch here and pull the yarn and pull through 2 loops to make a single crochet stitch. Then go into the next single crochet stitch and pull the yarn, pull through 2 loops to make a single crochet stitch. Then make chain 6, and after making chain 6, go into the next stitch and make a single crochet stitch. Then into the next one, make a single crochet stitch. Then again make chain 6, and make 2 single crochet stitches into the next 2 stitches. Then again chain 6, and 2 single crochet stitches. Then again chain 6, and 2 single crochet stitches. Then make last chain 6, and make a slip stitch into the first single crochet stitch. And now make knots to this starting yarn tail, and cut this starting yarn tail, and we are going to work for our first petal. So for our first petal, wrap the yarn, go into the chain 6 space, pull the yarn and pull through all 3 loops to make a half double crochet stitch. Then again wrap the yarn, go into the chain 6 space, pull the yarn and pull through all 3 loops to make half double crochet 2. You can see, take this yarn tail between your stitches while working, and after making 2 half double crochet stitches, make a double crochet stitch by pulling the yarn through first 2 loops and then pull the yarn through second 2 loops. This is our first double crochet stitch. You can pull your stitches to make a space. After making first double crochet stitch, make double crochet 2 by repeating the same pattern, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 7, double crochet 8, double crochet 9, double crochet 10, and after completing 10 double crochet stitches, make 2 half double crochet stitches in the last, then you can go into the second single crochet stitch to make a slip stitch. So this is our first petal. Now simply cut these 2 yarn tail and repeat the same pattern for next 2 petals as well by making 2 half double crochet, then 10 double crochet and then 2 half double crochet into chain 6 space. So friends, after completing 3 petals by repeating the same pattern, now we are going to change the color of yarn for next 2 petals. So with the second color yarn, go into the second single crochet stitch and make a slip stitch to finish your last petal, and then make 2 knots to secure your work. And now you can take these 2 yarn ends between your stitches while working, and now simply wrap the yarn and go into this chain 6 space again and start with half double crochet stitch. After making 1 half double crochet stitch, pull the stitch to make a space and then make double crochet 1 and double crochet 2. After making 2 double crochet stitches, now we are going to make triple crochet stitches. So wrap the yarn twice, go into the chain 6 space, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops, then pull through second 2 loops, and then pull through 32 loops to make a triple crochet stitch. Again wrap the yarn twice, go into the chain 6 space, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops, pull through second 2 loops, and then pull through third 2 loops. This is our triple crochet 2. Make triple crochet 3, triple crochet 4, triple crochet 5, triple crochet 6, pull the stitches to make a space, triple crochet 7, triple crochet 8, triple crochet 9, triple crochet 10, after making 10 triple crochet stitches, make 2 double crochet stitches, and 1 half double crochet stitch in the last, and after completing go into the second single crochet stitch and make a slip stitch. So this is the pattern for this petal: 1 half double crochet stitch, 2 double crochet stitch, 10 triple crochet stitch, 2 double crochet stitch, and 1 half double crochet stitch. So repeat this pattern for the next petal as well, and by repeating the same pattern and completing the other petal, now we are going to make a border here. It's a simple single crochet stitch border. So directly go into this first half double crochet stitch and pull the yarn, pull through 2 loops to make a single crochet stitch, go into the next one, pull the yarn and make single crochet 2, into the next one single crochet 3, into the next one single crochet 4, into the next one single crochet 5, into the next one single crochet 6, and continue making 1 single crochet into every stitch. Turn your second petal, make a slip stitch here to finish your first petal, and then you can start working on your second petal. So simply complete this flower till the end, and after completing the single crochet row, weave your extra yarn to some backside stitches. So this is the unique pensy flower, and it's very beautiful, and I hope you guys like its pattern. So if you like this pattern, must try this flower. If you have any questions about this pattern, please ask in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.